I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry better. Begin by truly understanding the foundational principles. Don't just skim your textbook. Actively engage with the material by taking notes and summarizing key ideas in your own words. Consistent practice with problems is crucial. This active approach ensures you build a strong base, making more complex topics easier to grasp later on. To enhance your learning, try creating flashcards for important terms, reactions, and formulas. Visual learners benefit greatly from drawing diagrams of molecular structures or reaction mechanisms. A powerful technique is to explain difficult concepts out loud, as if teaching someone else. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge and strengthens your recall. When tackling problems, work through each step methodically, showing all your work. Don't just look at the answer, understand how it was derived. Critically review any mistakes you make to pinpoint where your understanding falters. Collaborating in study groups can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging topics and learn from peers. As you progress, always strive to connect new information with what you've already learned, building a comprehensive mental map. Don't hesitate to seek help from your instructor or a tutor if you encounter persistent difficulties. They are valuable resources. Remember, consistent effort and smart strategies are key to success. Also, for some great deals, including a link for darn tough socks, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.